Hi, this is John Gillingham, CPA from Debits and Credits game. Actually, Accounting Play, Debits and Credits. It's on iOS. Today, we're talking about 2T accounts. So I'm going to hopefully assume that you have gotten your Learn Debits and Credits ebook at accountingplay.com/downloads. Subscribe, contact me. Okay? Any questions? I do this for you guys, so please. Today, we're gone past Mr. T, which is one absolutely gigantic account you probably can't see, and now we're on to double entry. So all these templates are in here. Get that. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into the game. Okay?
So now we are in the game. Selecting 2T accounts now. Remember, at the very bottom you have a Learn section. This will tell you the singular accounts, which was covered. And now we're more into a journal entry / debits and credits explained. So now you have two transactions with 2T accounts. You have always one debit and always one credit. So walking through here, this is an asset for an asset. Equipment goes up, cash goes down. Debit equipment up, credit cash down. All right? So this will give you two examples of a regular double entry system. So in this case, accounts receivable and sales revenue. Record a sale, debit accounts receivable, and credit sales revenue. Now in the game, if we want to focus in on that, we're going to want this 2T account toggled. And let's go ahead and do a timer so we limit ourselves to 1 minute. Now, we have an accounts payable account and an SG&A account. We know accounts payable is accounts payable, SG&A is an expense. Accrue expense for administrative staff. Accruing an expense, I'm thinking increase expense with a debit here. Now automatically we know if there's one debit, then there's also a credit on the other side, right? So always, let me just tell you one thing.
If you're in a situation where you have two accounts, right? If you know one, you know the other. One debit, one credit. Debits equal credits. It's the secret accounting code. Not so secret. Now, check it out. Right back into the game here.
Going for office supplies. Now we're going to be purchasing paper clips with cash. Let's go ahead and use our cash and know we're going to increase. Oh, and that's our game. All right. So that covers 2T accounts. Nothing crazy advanced, but this is how most people are going to learn a journal entry. One debit and one credit. In the game, you can go in either order. In actual reality, people are going to like a debit before a credit. So anytime you buy, I always like to start with cash because you debit cash up. So buy toilet brush. You're always the business in accounting, right? So your cash is going out the door. Ooh, I hit a credit. So you'll see increased supplies expense and decreased cash. Let's say I get it wrong again. It'll just tell me what to do on this very bottom screen here. Debit supplies expense and credit cash. Purchase a patent in cash. Cash goes out, credit, the other one's going to be a debit. Purchase raw materials with cash. Again, anytime you have cash in here, it kind of gives you an easy way to do it. Cash. Done. Purchase printer paper with cash. Oh my gosh, it's too much cash questions. Okay, credit card payable, and that's it. Now when we play on infinity, or take the timer off, now we can just play until our heart's content. Okay, so you see I'm just cycling through, playing around. And finally, always, check this out here. Now I'm going to show you, not too wonderfully, hold on,
kind of how hopefully some of this stuff looks in this book, because I want you to see that your templates are all in here. Your debits and credits example are all in here. Of course you can't see it, but you can see the tutorial on how that works. And so you want to be doing with the game on the go. You want to be doing the example in the Learn Debits and Credits ebook, free on my site right now. If it's not free for whatever reason, by the time you make it to accountingplay.com/downloads, email me, john@accountingplay.com, and I'll be sure to get you some resources to help you on your way. So today we just covered 2 T accounts, which is essentially a very basic journal entry. 1 debit, 1 credit, and that can be drilled with the 2 T accounts in the Accounting Play Debits and Credits game on iOS, soon to be on Android. So check the store, might already be there. Thanks so much.